Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dana. I am the HGIC here at Divine Goddess Soaps. Today I am making bath bombs using this wide petal daisy bath bomb mold from Cada. And the embeds that I'm using are the same embeds that I used in the watering can and the flower pot. These molds are great as standalone bath bombs, or they pair very nicely with the watering can and the flower pot as toppers. So it looks like the flowers are actually planted in those containers. And I will show photos of the finished sets at the end here, so stay tuned. This mold was definitely the easiest to use out of the 3 flower toppers. I didn't have any issues with unmolding with this one. And I'll just make a few more here, and then I will go ahead and let those dry for a few days, and then we will come back and paint them. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and paint these wide petal daisies. This color that I'm using here is a mix of green apple and true green from TKB Trading. Now with your green and your blue micas, you want to make sure that you read the ingredients, because not all green and not all blue micas are safe for bath bomb use. So you want to make sure that they do not contain chromium oxide green or ultramarine blue. Don't go by just if the site says it's bath bomb safe or not. Actually go in and read the ingredients. I won't name drop, but there are a couple large companies that say their bath bomb or their micas are safe for use in bath bombs, and they're actually not. So go ahead and, make sure you look at the greens and the blues and see if they have those ingredients in them. This color that I'm using here is a mix of sugar and spice. Oh no, it's not mixed. It's just straight sugar and spice. That mica is from Nurture Soap. And this mica is a mix of Orange Vibrance and Flower Girl from Nurture Soap. Now this I painted a little bit differently. What I did is I go in and I do around the inside of the flower first, because that's when my brush is most saturated. And then I went in and I roughly feathered in where like the inside of the petals would be, just to give the bath bombs a little bit more dimension. Now you could just do these one straight color. You know me, I like to be a little bit extra when I'm painting because I really enjoy it. So I did these actually 2 different colors. And this color that I'm using here is the Rise and Shine and Rapunzel mixture. And this I'm actually doing the exact opposite. So I painted along the outside of the petal and then I'm feathering in towards the middle. So then that way it blends nicely into the peachy color that's in the center there. And if you haven't already, please go ahead and pamper that like button. Show it a little love. I do greatly appreciate it. Subscribe if you're enjoying the content here. And please remember to take time to pamper your inner goddess. Self-care is important for every her, him, and they. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.